Hi folks, thank you for allowing me to do a video presentation for you today on this 2019 Winnebago Travato. It's a 59G model. It does have a corner bed. It's kind of unique because it will fold up in that back bed and give you access to maybe throw your bikes inside if you're somewhere where you need that. And also lots of other storage. If you have pets and you have big dog crates, it's nice to be able to fold that and put them inside that back area and have them travel with you. There's a lot of good features in this floor plan. They do also have a twin bed model. This one is, again, that corner bed. So we'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on some of the outside features. On the inside, we'll start by showing you that bed. It is in its down position right here. So this has an extra cushion. That's going to work with those who ever need to make the other bed out, which that's going to be up in the front. I'll show you on the way out. This bed, you can see it's got the kind of roughly a double-sized bed, and then it will fold up so that way you can have it out of the way like that. Basically, it has a little place to fold it up, and then you'll be able to have access to some drawers down you see below. And then also when this is up, you can see you got quite a bit of space. So that's kind of a clever approach in a small 21-foot motorhome camper van. It's nice to be able to have that versatility. Also, what they did in this model is give you a larger refrigeration, because you do have a separate fridge up top and then a separate freezer down below. So it makes it nice for added space that you have here versus some of the ones that are just under counter or smaller. It does have a microwave here, and some of the ones do offer a convection, but this is a microwave here. Your 2-burner, your sink here that flips up for your washing dishes. You're going to have here, looks like 3 of what we're going to get in the way of drawers. Makes it nice. And then they do have this space down below there, if you can see that. Up above, there'll be some overhead storage here. So you do have a little bit less overhead storage than some of the vehicles I showed, but than the other floor plan. But the bathroom here, you can see inside, it gives you quite a bit of space. It does have a little sink in there, and it does have some decent space to stand and get around. So makes it a pretty good sized bathroom in a small camper van motorhome. You do end up having a reading lamp there. The air conditioning's overhead here. You have also this pantry, or a closet space, I should say, and then we'll have extra storage over here, and then there'll be some soft storage available over above there too. So that's nice. This is seating for 2 in a belt, so if you want to be able to have, this goes that way, if you want to be able to have belts, then you'll have 2 seat belts here for 2 forward facing, so that way you can transport those additional 2 and what you've got up front. So these will fold together and make into an additional sleeping area arrangement that sleeps this way. So you can have maybe, you know, 2 average sized adults can sleep here. Makes it nice if you do want to transport extra people and be able to sleep more. This counter extension comes up here for added counter space. You do have your little screen that comes through there for keeping the bugs out. Both the driver and passenger seat up front will rotate, so that way you can sit here and have 4 of you dining. Makes it very nice. Again, some soft storage overhead over the cab area. It's going to be the TV that you see from here. Both those seats will make that nice for viewing the TV. As far as the bedroom goes, I don't believe that the TV comes all the way out to here, but I haven't seen that yet, so I don't know. I don't think it does, so we won't try to explore that today. But if you have any questions at the end of the video, call me and I'll get those answers for you. On the interior, again, good height to it, good floor space. It does end up having a nice versatility of the way that that bed folds up and down. You're going to have an awning that's push button that you'll see that covers your patio, comes out about 7 feet. Makes it real nice there. A couple speakers and an LED light over there. The running board that runs along there makes it nice. You are going to have the black tank flush here, and this extra feature allows you to have a solar panel from exterior sources coming in here and going into the other solar panels and adding to extra watts that you want to have for being off the grid. Makes it real nice. Bike rack over here that folds down. You know, I had a customer one time say, well, they didn't necessarily like to have this on a regular basis if they weren't needing to, and you can unscrew these 4 points, take this whole assembly, put it in the garage, what have you, and then not have to have it on there if you don't need it for that specific trip. And then you got the ladder here that can be moved around to the outside to gain access to up top. So you do have the push button generator on here. It's going to be A gasoline generator, it's going to be real nice for that. Being able to have some privacy if you need to off the grid. Fuel door here, release. Step to get in and out. These are very easy, very comfortable. The doors open up quite wide, so it makes it very nice for getting in and out of. When you're inside the driver's area, everything's very easy to see. The actual visibility, again, is still really good. Seeing out the back and the sides makes it very nice. You do have a battery boost feature they do now at Winnebago, so if your chassis gets a little bit, your engine battery gets a little low, you can actually have the help from the house batteries to start that engine. Makes it very nice. And again, the shifter is going to be nice down to drive, and you can pad that shift left and right to go down shift when you're driving. Makes it also nice going down hills. It's a front wheel drive. The 6-cylinder engine is going to get you about 283 horses, 260 foot-pounds of torque. Makes it very nice to get around in. It makes it very, very comfortable to drive. Most people can easily drive a camper van. That's why people look at them. That's why they consider getting smaller. They're not necessarily a lesser expensive alternative to some of the other RVs out there. They are expensive because of manufacturing. It takes a lot of man hours to build these coaches, so they may seem more expensive in that regard. But it is a great deal for those who want to use it on a regular basis and put a lot of miles on it and get good economy, somewhere in that 14 mile per gallon range. So if you have any more questions at the end of the video, you'll see that phone number pop up. Give me a call. It's Tom Peterson. Been with the company for 28 years. And you know what? It's at Guaranty in Junction City. It's an RV show every single day.